Attention large families, the 2025 Volkswagen Atlas roars back, promising space, comfort, and towing muscle without the minivan stigma. Forget clunky sliding doors. The Atlas boasts a spacious third-row seat that comfortably accommodates adults. Need to haul cargo? Fold the seats down, and the Atlas transforms into a handy hauler for all your gear. Powerhouse under the hood. The 2025 Atlas packs a punch with a refined powertrain. Gone are the days of multiple engine options. Every Atlas now comes equipped with a potent 2.0 liters turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, churning out 280 horsepower and 270 pound-feet of torque. Mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission with a choice of front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, this new setup delivers impressive performance. Leaving the competition in the dust, we noticed a significant improvement in throttle response compared to previous models. The retuned transmission makes the engine feel more energetic, and the Atlas rockets from 0 to 60 in a scorching 6.3 seconds. Faster than the V6 model we tested back in 2018. While not a sports car, the Atlas handles corners with obedience and remains agile in city environments. The ride is generally smooth, though rough potholes can expose some limitations. Comfort reigns supreme. Functionality reigns supreme in the Atlas's family-friendly interior. A simple control layout, plentiful cup holders, and a genuinely comfortable third-row seat make it a practical choice for even the most rambunctious families. Sure, the design might favor function over flashy aesthetics, but there's a noticeable upgrade in material quality for 2025. With ample storage nooks and enough cargo space to rival the Honda Pilot. 4 carry-on bags behind the third row, 38 with the first row folded. The Atlas has everything a growing family could need. The verdict: still a top contender. The 2025 Volkswagen Atlas remains a strong contender in the 3-row SUV segment. While it might not offer the most dynamic driving experience compared to some rivals, its focus on practicality, space, and power makes it a compelling option for families who prioritize comfort and functionality. Stay tuned for more. Is the Atlas the perfect fit for your family? Subscribe to the David Automobile YouTube channel and hit that notification bell. We'll be diving deep into all the latest updates, test drives, and comparisons to help you decide if the 2025 Volkswagen Atlas remains the king of the 3-row SUVs.